Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum, greetings. Welcome to DIY Woodworking TV. My work for the big strong work table, built-in table saw is ongoing. And in the middle of this project, I needed to sand some of the wooden pieces to make them exactly square because some of the edges are not very good. So let me show you my new belt sander from Luxter that just arrived. So we have a miter for 90 degree, exact 90 degree sanding. This is the belt sander. Check this out, nice. I was thinking this would be small, but it's wide and nice. I like it. The dust will come out from here and I can easily put my dust collector. This is not it. You can also see there's a disc sander here, which is nice. Okay, on-off switch. This is to change the belt, the sanding belt, and then tighten it. Very nice. This miter gauge base you can attach easily here and put this screw in, and after that you have your miter gauge that you can use to set different angles. This is very good. How accurate these angles are, we will have to find out. So this was the side. Now let me see, how do you add it on top? As you want to do sanding of your piece, you can do angled sanding. Man, I love it. Not only this angle, but also these angles can be changed. They have also provided one kind of a stop block right here. Something else, because the user manual is completely in Chinese. I will have to ask Arish to translate it for me. And then he was kind enough to send me spare disc sandpapers, which I can add right now here. And then, I have been cutting some pieces for my project, and after cutting the pieces, I just found out somewhere the top is not exactly 90 degree. I can sand them down exactly 90 degree and level them up so my plate form will level and my table saw will sit level. As these are not looking exactly 90 degree, as you can see, up down 90 degree. This triangle, I bought it off Banggood, and this is actually helping me a lot. Things are exactly square is the big deal for me right now. Ooh, I put it on 0 and it looks like exactly 90 degree. So this is pretty accurate here. Alright, according to my gauges, my tools, wow, man, this is good. Whoa, I can start to see the difference now. Sweet, I can see the difference now. There's a slight more on these two pieces. I can sand them out and make sure all pieces are nice and equal. So this is definitely a very useful machine right here. So kiddos are learning to use belt sander. Surrounded the edges. Hold tight. Make sure you don't touch the sander. Hold the piece tight and touch slowly, yeah. And do the shape that you want. Okay. Okay, now Hadi is doing. Don't use too much force, okay? Nice. Keep doing it. Make them round, all nice and round. Aris have made a heart. A beautiful heart.